How to turn off age restrictions on X. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn off age restrictions on X, formerly known as Twitter. So if you're not seeing content or certain posts are blocked, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. Open the X app on your phone. Now tap your profile icon in the top left corner, then tap Profile. Next, tap Edit Profile. Here you'll see the Date of Birth section. This is important. If your birthday isn't set or is incorrect, tap on it and enter a valid date. Make sure it shows that you're over 18, especially if you're in a country like the US, where age impacts content restrictions. Once done, hit Continue to save. This helps X recognize your age properly, so restrictions don't apply. Now close the app and open any web browser, like Chrome or Safari. Go to x.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your username and password, just like you normally do. After logging in, look for your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen and tap on it. Next, scroll all the way down until you see Settings and Privacy. Go ahead and tap that. Inside the Settings menu, select Privacy and Safety. Now here's the important part. Tap on Content You See. This section controls what kind of content shows up in your feed and on profiles. You'll see a setting labeled Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure to toggle that on. This allows you to view posts that are usually hidden behind a content warning. And that's it. By updating your birthday and enabling that setting, you've successfully turned off age restrictions on X. You should now be able to view all posts,